seems to be that our memories are faster. We can this is their own
Not mucking around, guys. Going.
Said 1922.
I think that must be the end of it.
And even this is new up here. So they've done a lot of work.
akan sampai ke stesen atas.
712 metres.
Jauhkan tangan anda dari pintu. Pintu akan
Well, we've made it to the top, and on a really clear day that'd be a good view of Penang. But today it is pretty hazy. Oh, they have a lot of steps out here. They love steps, Pi. My word, it's hot up here. I just had a haircut and I'm glad I did. Got it all taken off. Joel, tell me all about this. Who's this guy?
Well, there's the elephant god. Guess which one he is? And as to the other two, I just don't know. But I rather like the cow. I'm guessing it's a Hindu temple.
We're not going to go in here simply because it says please remove your shoes. And if you knew how hard a job it was for me to get my shoes off, let alone get them back on, you know why. Well, we've been there, done that. Oh, it was a little bit cooler up the hill. 1922 this tunnel was put in here.